Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Xbox One has a rear RJ45 Ethernet port and that you have a CAT5E or CAT6 cable rated for gigabit speeds. Once done, power down the console and unplug the power brick to avoid surprises while plugging in. Make sure your router or modem has an available LAN port and that its firmware and DHCP are enabled. This ensures the Xbox will receive an IP automatically. Now pick the cable and move on to the physical connection step. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the Xbox One's LAN jack until you hear a click, then plug the other into your router or switch. Power the console back on and navigate to Settings, then Network Settings. You will see a wired option. Select it and choose Setup or Test Network Connection so the console requests an IP via DHCP. If you need a static IP, choose Advanced Settings and enter the IP, gateway, and DNS manually. Otherwise, let DHCP handle it. Once the test completes, check the network details for NAT type, latency, and download/upload speeds so you know performance expectations. If the wired connection fails, immediately swap the cable and test another router port, then reboot modem, router, and Xbox in that order. Many issues clear with a simple restart. If you still see no link light or no IP, try assigning a static IP or perform a network settings reset. And if the modem is at fault, contact your ISP for line diagnostics and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.